Edinboro will be taking on Charlottesville for their third game of the day. Charlottesville driving in really quick. They had the ball right in the paint, looking for somebody to pass to number 55, passes it over to the big man in the middle, looking for him. It looks like these guys have a lot of big guys. Fumble it, goes on a ball, and it will be Edinboro's ball. Ball's into Wolf. Wolf was a big player in the last couple games of these. So we're looking, oh, that was a nice move. Wolf with the ball over to the right. Looking for someone, maybe looking for a shot, doesn't really know. He's looking for someone, finds him in the middle. A3 in the middle, A3 up with a point for 2 points, put Edinboro ahead to start the game. Number 55 coming down the court, towards the bottom of the E, looking for someone to look for. Passes it into the middle, into the paint, throws it up, a little bit of short. Contact under the hoop. A3 coming down with the ball, looking for someone. He's got McCallie in the front. A3 coming in, over to Dupree. Dupree up with the basket. .55 driving down the court. Top of the E, over to the right. You got men in front. Turns around, spins around. I'm taking this. 55 looking for room. He's got two defenders in front, but his own teammate blocking him out too. Setting picks, he's driving into the paint, dishes out to the left. Shots up in the air, no good. Goes out, looks like it'll be Edinboro's ball. Wolf again with the ball, coming down from the top of the E on the left side. He's got McCall in front. He's got A3 to the right. Looking for room. Throws up the middle. Dupree, again, under the hoop. Up, and it's good. Edinboro takes a quick 6-0 lead with 17:57 left in the half. 55, driving it down, again with speed, goes through traffic, puts it up, and it's in. Bringing it down the field, McNally coming at the top of the E, coming up to the top of the E. Now he's in the middle of the E, now he's up top. Looking for a shot, no one in front. Off to Wolf again. Wolf with the shot. It's up, no good, rebounded by Charlottesville with the ball. 55 again, driving down towards the bottom of the E, left side of the court, looking for room again, speed in front of him. Speed holding his ground against number 55. 55 dishes into the paint, 44 with the ball, bounce pass over to the right side. Charlottesville's ball in front of the Edinboro bench. 55 with the throw-in. Over to the corner, looking for the shot, shots up. No good, rebounded. A3 with the ball, fast pass on to McCallie. McCallie going down, one man to beat, up to Wolf. Wolf puts it up, nothing. Looks like it'll be Charlottesville ball. Never mind, correction. Wolf steps up to the line. Wolf getting ready for the shot. Takes it. And it's good. Wolf once again looking for a twofa. Wolf with the shot, and no good. Charlottesville takes over. And it's 4 men crossover into the Edinboro lane. We got 1 man down into the paint. Avery in front of him. Back out on top. Number 55 driving, looking for that zone again like he's had before. Dishes it in, 54 up with the shot, and it's good. Speed with the throw-in. Up to Wolf. Speeding down the court right next to Wolf. Atherley trying to make some room for Wolf to shoot. Wolf with the shot. Up. Up in the air again. Little scramble for the ball. Charlottesville with the ball. McCallie with him on him. Pass. Pass out in front. Drive it in. Puts it up. Nothing. Dupree with the ball. Speed is down. Ah, no.
Yeah.
Edinboro's ball. McNally with a throw-in. Looks like Speed's having a little bit of trouble down there with his chair. There we go. So we'll be all good. Wolf takes the ball in front. McNally on his side. Speed to his left. McNally to his right. Wolf looking. 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 Dishes back out to McNally up top to Speed. Speed's got room. And we have another stoppage to play. Speed to take the throw in. Speed takes the ball. Looking, looking, looking. Dupree's cutting in. Wolf's cutting to the right. Looking for Wolf. Up to McNally. McNally with the shot. McNally makes it. McNally going down. 55 with the ball, taking it to the middle of the E. Holding it like it's a football, going into traffic. Charlottesville throwing in, number 55. Edinboro's defense is sticking to these guys like they're glue, like it's glue. Right on them. Double team right off the bat. 55 cuts to the left, looking for an open lane. Again, Dupree in front, to pass to the middle. Ball up, rebounded. Atherley with the ball, coming down the court. Looking for Wolf, looking for McNally. Deciding to take it in himself. Oh, maybe not. Comes back out to the top right side. Passes over to McNally. McNally with someone in front of him. Spins to the left, looking for a lane. Passes in, puts it up, and it's good. Atherley with another 2-point shot. 55 dishes it in, back to 10, back to 55. 55 seems to be the dominant player of the team for this Charlottesville team. He's driven in a couple times and scored primarily most of their points. 55 dribbling off the right, dishes it in. 44 up with it, big man up in the middle. Once again with it again, misses twice. 3 times, the third time's off the charm, and Atherley takes it. Atherley to Wolf, a little overthrown. Charlottesville takes the ball back. 55 again with the ball. At the free throw line, cutting to the left, putting it into the middle, throwing it up, nothing. Speed with the ball, coming down towards the top of the E, passes it over to Dupree. Dupree's in the front, moving to the left. Dupree coming down, looking for Wolf, looking for the crossover. Atherley with the ball again. Atherley, Speed to Wolf. Back up to Speed again. He's wide open. Takes the shot, no good, rebound. Atherley with the ball again, puts it up, nothing. And Edinboro takes a 30-minute timeout. 30-second timeout. With the time of 13:54 left on the clock in your first half, the score is Edinboro 11. The other team 4, Charlottesville. Nothing better than cold coffee on this cool day here at Edinboro. I like doing this. I actually. Alrighty, let's see what Edinboro has to do up here after their timeout. Now I can clearly tell that this team is playing to Edinboro's skill level. Not to their skill level, but they're pretty evenly matched for the most part. It's a good game. It's very interesting to watch, though. Edinboro's ball. Wolf cuts in, throws it up. Wolf with the shot. Nothing. Rebounded by Wolf. Wolf looking for another shot at it. And he takes it, and it's good. .55, dribbling down the court again. Looking left. Looking right. Cutting back to the left. Takes the shot. A good shot, but it's missed. McNally with the ball again. McNally to Atherley. With Wolf coming down. He's got speed in front of him. Looking for a hole. Puts it up, and it's good. Charlottesville dribbling down the court again. 55 again with the ball. Trying to make a play happen. Speed in front. He's got a hole. Atherley's in front of him. And another stoppage of play. I know, it's interesting. I'm like surprised. In the studio, and he's like, you ever done this before? Ball's thrown in. 44 with the big hands up in front. Still can't finish though. Atherley coming down. He's got McAlley in front. He's got Dupree in front of him. And someone goes down. 55 drops. Wolf open for the shot. Puts it up. And it's in for another 2-point shot. Everyone getting the second to regroup. They are really trying to lock down the big guys. 11 dribbling down the court. Looking for a shot. He's open. He dumps it in the 44 again. 44 puts it up, and it's good. Atherley to McAlley. McAlley dribbling down the court again. He's got Wolf on his left, Atherley on his right. McAlley looking. He's moving to the left. Looking for room, spinning. Over to Dupree. Dupree's open for a wide open shot. Shoots it, and it's good. .55, man in the ship again, taking the ball down the court. Driving again, trying with speed. Nothing, deflected. And it looks like it'll be Edinboro's ball. Passes it in. Atherley taking it down towards the top of the E, cutting towards the bottom of the E, cutting towards the middle of the E, cutting towards the hoop, cutting into the paint. And it looks like it'll be a turnover. Charlottesville's ball. Dribbling down the middle of the court. Charlottesville with the ball. Everybody scrambling, looking for a hole. Looking for a shot, looking to drive. 55's looking like he's trying to drive again. 11 with the shot. He puts it up, and it's good for another 2 points for Charlottesville. McAlley dribbling down the court. Looking for someone. Maybe not looking for anyone. Maybe he's going to do it himself. I think he's about to. And I was right. And he finished. That's another 2 points for Edinboro. .55, dribbling in down towards the bottom of the E, taking it over towards the left side, looking for a shot. He's got two defenders in front of him, but he's still going to drive. He's still got nothing, though. McAlley with the rebound, or the recovery. Dishes it off to the left. Dribbling down the court is Dupree. Dupree looking for something, dishes it off, puts it up, and we got it. Edinboro is really starting to extend their lead here. They're late at the free throw line. Atherley for one. And he's up, and it is good. Making the score 22 to 8 Edinboro. .55 once again, dribbling it down the court, looking for a hole. I don't know if he's looking for a hole, holding it like a football. He's trying to drive in, he puts it up. Nothing, rebound, grabbed by Wolf. Wolf's got a 3-on-1, 4-on-1 almost a 5-on-1. What's gonna happen? Here we go, he dribbles in, is he gonna take it himself? Yes, he is, and he will unfortunately not finish. Wolf, though, does get back on defense and recover the pass to take it back down to the other side. Wolf looking, surveying, looking right, taking it right. Tangled up. He's got 3 defenders in front of him. And I guess we'll wait to see what happens. Oh, looks like it's Edinboro's ball. And we're back in play. McAlley out to the right, has the ball, looking for a shot maybe, puts it up, and he's good. Coming down the side, looking towards the middle. He's looking for a hole, I feel like. He's coming it back out. Maybe he's not looking for a hole. I don't know, he's just spinning around. I don't know, he takes a shot, up, nothing. Recovered by Edinboro. Wolf again, taking the ball down the field. He's got a person wide to the right, wide open, puts it up, and no good. Charlottesville driving down the left side of the hash. Looking, driving in, holding it like a football. Shot by number 11, he puts it up, and it's good. Wolf again, maybe looking for Spiller. He's down towards the bottom. Wolf holding, looking. Off to McAlley again. Over to Graddick. Graddick looking. Puts it in the Wolf. Wolf puts it up, hits the rim. 55 in, driving towards the bottom of the E. He's got a person in front, but he's also got a blocker. 55 looking, surveying. McAlley with a spin in front. To hold him. He's got the ball back. 55 and a stoppage of play. And a timeout is called. I am not sure if it was by Edinboro or if it was by Charlottesville, but I guess we'll find out whenever they change it on the scoreboard. With 8 minutes and 14 seconds left in the first half, the score is 26-10 Edinboro. I haven't heard that yet today. Nice little buzzer. Everybody coming out of the huddles with a lot of enthusiasm, it looks like. Edinboro and Charlottesville alike. Charlottesville's ball underneath the Edinboro hoop. .11 passes in. He's out at the corner, looking, up to 55. He's at the McDonald's sign, looking for a shot maybe. No, he likes to drive, so if he gets a chance to drive, he's going to drive. Wolf with the body. 55 on the ground again. Wolf throwing his body weight around like it's nothing. Charlottesville throwing again under the Edinboro hoop. Looking, in, looking up towards the three-point line again. Looking, behind the back pass. Oh, he loses it behind him. 55 picks it up. He's got McGalley in front of him. McGalley playing some good defense, holding him down. He's not trying to let him drive. He drives in anyways. Splitters in his face. Adderley takes over. Come down toward the top. He's got Wolf in front of him. Cutting down towards the bottom of the E. Passes it out. In the Wolf. The shot is up. Not in time, I don't think, though. Edinboro's ball under the Charlottesville hoop. Craddock's ready for the throw-in. Craddock with the throw ready. Dishes it in. Right over to Spillers. Blech. Tongue-tied. McGalley with the shot. It falls just wide, and it will go out of bounds, making the Charlottesville ball. .55, taking it down the court. Right down towards the bottom of the E, moving towards the top of the E. He's got a player to the right of him, looking for a pass maybe. 55 with the shot. Puts it up, no good. McGalley comes up with the rebound. McGalley looking, off the Wolf. Spillers is in front. Adrian to the left. Craddock in the middle. Wolf takes his tumble, trying to dish the ball out. Wolf seems down. Oh. At first he was holding his shoulder there. I didn't know what happened to him. I don't know if he might have hurt himself, but he looks fine now. He's kind of stretching it out. 55 coming down towards the bottom of the E. Looking for room, maybe looking for a shot. We never know with him. He's been doing it. He's been all over the place today. He's driving in, and he's pulling back out. He dishes up to number 45. 44, my correction. 44 is a big guy. He's got some big arms. He tries to throw it up over him, and Craddock comes up with it. Dishes it over to McGalley again. McGalley looking. He's got one man down with him. Spillers is down with him. Craddock's coming off to the left. He's also got Avery to the left. He's got Wolf cutting in towards the middle. He's into the Wolf. Wolf throws it up. Nothing. Rebounded by number 55, Charlottesville. Charlottesville's going to try and capitalize and come back towards the other side. They're coming down towards the bottom of the E. He's got great McGalley on his right. 55 with the ball again. Looking around, trying to make a play happen. We got a lot of ties up towards the middle. He's not going to be able to drive. Makes you think he's going to pull back and take a shot. He's got Adrian in front of him. He's not going to be able to push through Adrian. Adrian's a big guy, just like him. One-handed shot. Never mind, it was a pass. It just looked like a shot. 20's got the ball, looking for room. Shot clock expires. It's going to be an Edinboro ball. McGalley with the pass to Wolf. Adrian to his left. McGalley to his right. Craddock in the middle. Everybody's moving around quick. Adrian's underneath. Puts it up, and it's good. .55, once again, taking it down the court. Trying to seem to slow it down a little bit. Maybe give his team a second to set up a little bit longer. Or for a hold to Pierre so he can drive like he is right now. He puts it up, nothing. And Edinboro recovers. Edinboro back down the field again. Everyone moving. Everyone's getting tied up. A3 looking, up, shot, and it's good. 44 passes into 55. Edinboro coming back down the field, trying to expand their deficit of the game. They're up by 20 now. We're going to see what happens. Maybe it'll turn into the last game. Nobody knows. He's dribbling. He's up in the middle. McGalley with the shot. McGalley puts it up. Rebounded by Athery. Athery puts it up, and this time he makes it. And just a little update. Edinboro football is out there right now playing in the snow while I'm sitting in here in the nice, warm basketball court. The score of the game right now is Kuhnstown 28, Edinboro 19 with the fourth quarter with 8 minutes remaining. Good luck to our boys over there. Keep warm. 44 takes the ball again. He's at the corner. He's a big guy. He's probably trying to make some room. And we have another stoppage of play. Anyways, back to the game. So apparently something's going on down there. The ref is talking to number 55 for some reason. Don't know what he's saying. If I had mics down there, I'd let you know, but I don't. The shot from 3. Missed. Athery with the ball. Athery driving. He's got boys on his left and his right. Holding that ball with one arm. Trying to make some room. He's going to make it. And it will be Charlottesville's ball. .55, still manning the boat from what it looks like. He's been dribbling up and down the field the whole time. And him and only him. .55 again with the ball, taking it down, takes what I thought was a shot initially was unfortunately a pass to number 44, which is missed and picked up by Wolf. Wolf driving, coming downfield. He's got 5 guys with him, 2 people driving behind him from the Charlottesville team. The shot goes up, McCallie missed, unfortunately, recovered by Charlottesville again. 44. Changing it up a little bit. 44 is now taking the ball down the court instead of 55. Wolf in front, not letting them through. They've got plenty of people in front, and they're blocking from the right. There's no one in front. 55 picks up the ball again, maybe looking for a shot because there's no room to drive down there. Takes a shot, miss it. Spillers with the ball. Spillers with the ball. McGalley with the ball. Coming down the left side. McGalley, one guy in front, passes in to Spillers. Spillers puts it up, and it's good. 55, again, taking the ball down the court. Now I'm starting to think, because of this Charlottesville team only having 6 players on their roster, that I wonder if they're starting to get a little bit tired. It looks like it. And they still got a whole second half to play. Best of luck. I saw a nice steal there too, but I think it was Wolf while I was talking about the other thing. But anyways, back to the game. Another stoppage of play. I think Slay's, from the looks of it, I think Slay's about to check in right now. I wonder who he's coming in for. Looks like Wolf. Even with Wolf out of the game, I don't think much is going to change, really. Slay usually jumps in and takes his spot pretty well anyways. He performed well in the last game I was calling, so let's see if he can keep it up. 55 with the throw into 44. Slay with the big man in front, but Slay's a big man himself, so I think he can hold him off. And he does. Gets a hands in his face, and he misses the shot. McGalley with the ball, looking for someone. Puts it off to Spillers. Spillers with the ball, coming down towards the top of the E. Into the left side of the court. Back to McGalley. McGalley looking now, surveying the field. Or the court, you can call it. Field court. Looking. Dishes across to Craddock. Craddock there. He's got two people in front of him blocking. We're good. Back to McGalley. McGalley's there. McGalley's looking. McGalley with the shot. Missed. 44 with the rebound. Charlottesville trying to come down with a quick break. Off to the left, he's got one man to beat. Dupree's not letting him by, though. Into the middle. Put up. And a point for 2 points for Charlottesville. McGalley with the ball, taking some coaching from his coach. McGalley looking. Spillers coming on front. Craddock is sitting at middle court blocking the biggest guy I think they have on their team right now. McGalley with the shot. That was blocked. Spillers looking now. Spillers over to Dupree. 55 moving up on him. Hooks it over to Slay. Slay with the shot that goes in right before the buzzer. .55 sticking to his leadership position. Dribbling the ball down the field, trying to find his guys open. 44 cutting in. Shot by number 55. Puts it up, missed. 54 with the rebound. He's looking now. He's looking now. He's right on the side. He's right on the side. Dupree won't let him in. 20, a number I haven't said recently today. I don't think I've said much of his name today. 55 takes the ball back again, though. Looking for 54. 54 puts it up, and it's in. Edinboro trying to get some points here before the half ends. McGalley dribbling the ball down. Moving with Craddock on his right. He's got Dupree and Slay up in the left. Dishes over to Slay. Slay's got the ball. Looking for the shot, maybe. 6 seconds left. McGalley with the shot. And that'll end the first half with a score of Edinboro 36, Charlottesville 14. Seen a lot of interesting things happen in the first half. They took Wolf out pretty quick, and I also think they took Averly out pretty quick. But it's just showing that since Edinboro does have the numbers and Charlottesville does not have the numbers, that they can substitute guys in and get fresh people out on the court quicker. Well, we have a 10-minute break going right now, so I think there's going to be a commercial coming up pretty soon. Just making sure. If not, I'll just sit here and keep talking. Players getting coached up right now. Talking about maybe what they can do a little bit different in the second half.
If you listen carefully, you can hear it. It's in the voice of a professor leading a class of freshmen. It's in the sound of a whistle during two-a-day practices on the football field. It's in the laughter of students in hour 8 of an all-night study session. But it's probably most recognizable this way. You see, it's more than just teaching and guiding. It even goes beyond inspiration. To anyone who's set foot on our campus, it's something much more. It's a call, a signal to each of our students, our faculty, our alumni, a battle cry to strive for something greater. For 160 years, that call has driven us to provide the education and experience students need for success in an ever-changing world. And it continues to drive our next chapter, to demand more from everyone on campus and beyond. The path is not easy. It takes passion, perseverance, and grit. That's why we continually challenge our students and our faculty. So when students leave our campus, they're ready to handle whatever the world throws at them. Throughout our history, we've created a place for those willing to work, those willing to go further to better themselves, those willing to aim for something greater. It calls for hard work. It requires heart. It demands bravery. Edinboro University, for those who strive. For those who think, those who create, Those who have big ideas, like really, really big, some would call them crazy ideas. For those who have been told no, no chance, and not you. Those who never miss practice, even at 6 a.m. Those who break a sweat, break hearts, and break records. For those who work harder, smarter, faster, there's Edinboro University. For those who strive. Start now at edinboro.edu.
Hello and welcome back to Macomb Fieldhouse. I'm your announcer, Shane Waldron. And we got 2 minutes and 12 seconds left in the half. With a score of 36-14, Edinboro leading. This Edinboro team is looking really good from the last 2 games I watched. So the weather today, it's kind of cold. It's first snow that's stuck actually in Edinboro. So if you're not familiar with what happens when it sticks, when the snow sticks in Edinboro, there is an event, a very important event that happens every year when the snow first sticks to the ground. And that is the snow party, and I am pretty sure the hotel and the BORO bar, with $1 drinks on pretty much anything from 10 to 12 o'clock. I will be in attendance. I hope to see you there. I wonder who Edinboro is going to send down as their first 5 guys for the start of this second half. Considering that they already took out Averly and Wolf, I wonder if we're going to see any more from them tonight. And as halftime expires, we are about to start the second half of this men's wheelchair basketball game. And there's the buzzer. Alrighty, and we're ready to start the second half. Ball passed in from McCrally. Shot up in the air. Missed. Recovered by Charlottesville. Charlottesville moving down the court. But Edinboro's back on defense. 44 with the ball. Handling, up top to the left. Looking for a man, and it's stolen, or slapped away at least. 55 recovers from Charlottesville. Dishes over to 54. 54 looking. Back over to 55. 55 at the free throw line. Puts it up. Misses. Rebounded. And won by Edinboro. Dupree now has the ball. Averly starting to take the ball back down the court on the left side. Averly looking. Looking. Into Dupree at the middle. Puts it up, and it's good for another 2 points for Edinboro. 55 again with the ball, manning the ship for his team. He's at the top, looking, passes in, and it's stolen once again by Averly. He's got speed to his left. He's got Craddock to his right. He's got speed in the middle again. He's got Spillers to his left now. Over to Spillers. Spillers puts it up, and it's good for another 2 points for Edinboro. .55 coming on towards the top of the E, looking for a shot. Dishes over to 45, his big man, right in the middle. Averly's in his face. He's got 2 people in his face, as a matter of fact. And rebounded again by Charlottesville. And again, but this time, Dupree takes it back, throwing it back over to Averly. Averly looking towards the top of the E. He's got 3 people around him. He's stuck in traffic, but he's good. He dribbles his way out of it. Now he's got a lane. But he decides not to take it. Decides to take it out, dishes it over to Speed, who's Spillers with the ball, with the shot. Was it before the whistle? I think not. So that will make it Charlottesville's ball. 44 with the toss into 55. The dynamic duo out there. 55 with the ball. Coming down towards the middle of the E. The middle of the E now. Looking for a shot. He's looking like he's taking a shot. He's got blockers in front of him. 44 is in the front. He's got not as good big man underneath. 54 cuts in, there's another big man, he puts it up, and he gets it. Dupree with the ball, with Averly to his right, to his left, and Speed to his right. Looking, dribbling, looking. He's got one person in front. Oh, he slips up a little bit, looking deep, looking for Spillers maybe. Spillers off to his left, to his right now, to his left, going, loses it. Spillers gets it though, picks it back up, taking it back out. Looking for his way. Over to Craddock. Craddock's in front. 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Puts it up. Swishes it, baby. Craddock with a big shot. 55 looking a little winded as he dribbles down the court. Taking it slow. He's got a lane, though. Pulls up. And it's good. Speed with the ball. Looking back over to Averly. And a stoppage of play. That will come up to be, looks like Edinboro's ball. Speed with the ball. Underneath of the Charlottesville hoop, looking for a guy. Dishes it out to Averly. Averly's out there. No one in front. Trying to make a play up. To Craddock. Craddock at the free throw line. Holding. Deflected. Shot. Doesn't have it in time. 44 with the ball. Craddock's in front of 55. Looking to make some room. 55 looking to make some room. Craddock chasing. Still chasing. He's still on him. He's going to set up for a block. I think 55 is about to take a shot. He's got 2 of his guys in front of him. But he decides against it. Dishes it back out. Free throw line shot. And it's good. Okay, that's fine. Speed with the ball. Coming down the court. He's in the middle. He's looking. He's going to pull up. No, he's not. I lied. He dips it over to Spillers. Spillers up with the shot. And he banks it right in. The banks are open today, even though it is snowing. 55 with the ball. Dishes it in. 55 continuing to carry the ball down the field for this Charlottesville team. 55 rolls to the right. Hands it off. No, he doesn't. Decides to keep it. Again, spinning. More spinning. 1. Throws it up to his big man. 54 in the middle. Puts it up. Deflected. And picked up by Spillers. Craddock's down the side. Oh, and he decides not to go over him. Avery might be his better option. Averly to the left. Throws it into Dupree. He bobbles, and it unfortunately goes out of bounds, making it a Charlottesville's ball. Number 10, kind of trailing behind 55. He's probably going to let him catch up so he can set up a play. Decides not to. Instead, decides to dump it off to his big man to the left. Puts it up. 44 with the shot. Missed. Averly coming down the side, dishes it into Spillers. Spillers puts it up, and he puts it up for another 2 for Edinboro. Number 10, carrying the ball downfield this time. Maybe trying to change things up a little bit. He's got a slot. No, he doesn't. He dishes it in the 55, does a spin. He's up, and it's good. Speed coming down the right side. Coming down with speed, Drives in the middle. He puts it up. I thought he put it up. 54 caught it, though. 44 caught it, though. Another big man out on this Charlottesville team. And another stoppage of play. Speed steps up to the free throw line. Speed steps up for the shot. Puts it up. And it's good. Speed looking for the Tufa. Puts it up. And he misses that one. Oh, don't. Charlottesville taking it down. 55 with the ball. He's got 2 men in front of him. Ditches it off to 44. 44, big man. He's got long arms. He can reach almost about anybody right now. But he can't capitalize. Dupree takes it. Dupree dribbling at the top of the E. Switching towards the left of the E. He's coming back down towards the left side. Looking for a man. Looking for a shot. Passes it over. Deflected. I am not sure whose ball it is because that was a cluster right there. Looks like it'll be Charlottesville's ball. 55 with the throw-in. 55 into 10. 10 dribbling down with the ball. Looking for someone to pass. Looking for someone to pass. Maybe he wants a shot. He's wide open for the shot. Takes the shot. Misses the shot. And now Speed has the ball. Looking for Spillers. Instead it's Dupree. 2-on-1. 2-on-1. And I'm going to say that I think that was a foul. Dupree steps up to the line, I think. Fake news, it's a throw-in. Craddock will take the throw-in. Craddock with the throw-in. Throws it deep to Speed. No one in his face. Dishes it out to Spillers. Spillers looking. Spillers with the shot. And a miss and recovered by Charlottesville. .20, driving to 55, looking, dishes it into his big man, broken up by Dupree. Averly has the ball, looking for someone to give it to. And Craddock will once again take the ball for the throw-in. Never mind, Speed will. Averly. Spinning off him. Look at that. Speed with the ball to the right. Spins around. Does a spinorama. 20 in his face. Dupree right behind him. Blocking him in. Over to Spillers. Spillers to Averly. Averly with finishes. In the paint, surrounded by players. Okay. 55. Driving down the field. Looking, 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 looking. Still looking. He's got 2 defenders in his face. Dishes it over to 54. Craddock's in front. Looks like Speed is proceeding to take the ball down the middle of the Edinboro E, looking for someone to dish to. Maybe not, because no one's in his face, so I would shoot. But then again, I am not that good at basketball. Shot is up by Spillers, and it's made. .55, dribbling down towards the top of the E. Moving, left. Fakes the handoff. Looks for a hole, finds the hole, puts it up. And it's good for another 2 points by Charlottesville. Speed coming down towards the top of the E. He's got no one around him. Looking. Cuts in by himself. Takes it. Unfortunately, the shot was missed and rebounded by number 44 of the Charlottesville team, who dishes it off to number 55 from the Charlottesville team, who is now looking for either a shot or someone to pass it to, which is pretty common knowledge if you know basketball. 54 throws it up, and he missed it. He makes it, my bad. Making the score now 51-28 Edinboro. Averly. Looking, top of the E, taking his time. He's got plenty of time. Fakes a throw, dishes it off to Spillers. Spillers might have found a hole right there. Yes, he did, but he did not finish. 55 coming in hot. He's got Spillers on his tail. Looking, moving left and right. Looking for room. 55 with the ball, puts it up, and it's good for another 2 points. I'll tell you what, 55 on the other team is a very reliable player. He seems very consistent in taking the ball to the net and scoring. Speed. Looking. Slow. No one around him. Passes off to Dupree. Dupree there. Spins to the left. With a guy in front still. He doesn't care though. He's going to dump it off across the court to Spillers. Spillers is now surrounded. 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Puts it up. And it's good for another 2 points for Edinboro. Edinboro's lead is now by 23 points. Looking. 55, top of the E, over towards the McDonald's sign. Looking. Moving around. Puts it in. Puts it up. Missed. Recovered by Speed. Speed dishes a deep pass to Averly. Averly looking. He's got no one around him. Looking for something to do. Over to Dupree. Dupree falls. With another stoppage of play. Craddock will take the throw to throw it in. We seem to have a little confusion. We don't know if it's a throw in or if it's... Oh, there we go. Never mind, it is a throw-in. McNally with the ball. Dishes it off to Spillers. Spillers has 2 people in front of him. Looking for McNally. He's wide open on the top. Looking, spins left. Dishes it back into Wolf. Wolf puts it up, and it's good for another 2 points for Edinboro. 55 with the ball yet again. Coming in towards the top of the E. He's got 3 to his right, 1 to his left. Looking, moving. Dishes it off, hits the wheel. It's rolling now. 55 looking. He's looking for a hole, looking for blockers. He might have found them. Yes, he did, but he did not capitalize. McCallie coming down with speed. He's looking. No one in front. Dishes it off to Wolf. Back to McCallie. To Spillers. Spillers with the shot. Recovered by Charlottesville. Edinboro's really hustling back on that defense. 55 tosses the ball up to 44, who was not looking. And the ball goes out of bounds, making that an Edinboro ball. Wolf, now checking back in the game, is going to be the person to throw it in. I think he's going to toss it to Spillers. Ah, look at that. I'm a genius. I was right. 50-50 chance there was only 2 players down there. Anyways, Spillers takes the ball back. Maybe looking for Wolf in the corner. He's got no one on him. Maybe Spillers wants to make a move. Decides not to. Dishes off to Wolf. Puts it up. Wolf with the 2 points. .55 taking the ball down the court. Dishes it off to 44. 44 with the long arms. Has a man in front. But the arm's length comes to his advantage. Wolf, dribbling, looking. He's got McNally to his left, to his right. Spillers to his left. Dribbling by himself, looking for a spot. Slay's a little tangled up in that corner down there. I think they're trying to get him into the middle so he can use his long arms to body him out. 55 with the ball. Wolf with the shot, puts it up, recovered by 54, looking for a toss, down to 44. Edinboro's defense already drops back, 55 with the ball, looking for a hole, maybe looking for his partner, nothing. Tangled up in front of the free throw line. A lot of bumping down there right in front of the free throw line. Looking for something. Wolf's in front, looking. Dishes off to 44, to 20. 20's in the paint, looking, puts it up, nothing. Rebounded by Wolf and recovered by Wolf. Wolf, looking, moving, into Spillers, over to McNally. And recovered by Charlottesville. Dished in, number 10, looking, Slays in front though. Dumps it off to number 20. And looks like we're about to have a shot. It's up, no good, recovered by McNally. McNally driving down. Dishes it off to Wolf. Wolf's tangled up. Looking for someone. I think he's going to dip it back to McNally, who's pulling back. McNally, alone. Looking. No one in front. The shot. The three. And it rolls out of bounds, making it a Charlottesville ball. Charlottesville coming in with a sub. Number 11's coming in. .54, getting a little break from Charlottesville. 55, coming in. Looking around, trying to see what he can do. Off to 44, their big man. Dishes back up to 55. 10 with the ball, looking. 44 again with the ball, up towards the top. Back to 55 yet again. He's coming in. Wolf's blocking him pretty well though. 44 with the ball. Wolf tries to break it up. 10's got the ball, recovers, misses, hits the rim. McNally got the ball again. And Spillers has the ball, off to Slay. Slay's got 2 men to beat, but he also has 3 men coming down with him, maybe 4 if the other defender doesn't get back. Dishes out to Wolf. Wolf puts it up, and it's good for another 2 points by Edinboro. Looking. 55, looking for something to do. Might drive it, runs into some traffic. Shot by 55 is missed, recovered by Slay. McNally runs into someone. Throws it over to Wolf though. Wolf dodges the block. Looking for McNally, maybe across the court, maybe Slay. Throws it up to Spillers. Spillers couldn't capitalize. The ball's recovered by Charlottesville. Running into more traffic down there. 10 with it, looking. Cross to 11, who just came in. Keeps it alive. McNally with the ball. McNally dribbling in. There's no one coming up to him. Tosses it up, and he hits the rim. 10 dribbling down, off to 11. Pushes it in to 44. Slay's in his face though. Slay's got the reach. Dishes back. He's moving. Slay's trying to make. Slay has a hand in his face the whole time, and it seems to work. With the shot missing, and it becoming an Edinboro ball. As Wolf steps off the court again. Baez stepping on. McNally with the ball, looking for someone. McNally, looking, left, right, swings it over to Spillers. Spillers throws it into Slay. Slay in the middle, puts it up, and it's recovered by 44 of the Charlottesville team. 55 coming down. Baez is trying to get him there though, and he's tangled up. 55 has 2 people in front of him. They drop back, leaving him wide open. 11, surveying the field. The shot is up, and it's no good, and it's recovered by Slay again. McNally Dribbling down the court towards the top of the E. McNally looking, still looking, trying to hold out time maybe. 15 seconds left on the shot clock. 13, 12, 14. And the ball has appeared to go out of bounds off a bad pass. I was just informed that our Fighting Scots football team has taken it into overtime against Kutztown. Now, if you've seen the weather or been watching the stream, you can tell that that's going to be problematic for the sole fact that I think most people are freezing to death out there. But anyways, back to the game. McNally with the ball up towards the top of the E. Passes it over to Spillers. Spillers has room. Baez underneath. Hook shots it. Nothing. 44 with the ball, taking it down. 55, dropping in quick. Maybe looking for a pass. Slay breaks it up though. 44 still got it. 55 seems to get it open. Gets it in for 2 points. McNally with the ball. Trying to maybe take some time off that clock by holding it. Shot up, and it is missed, but still a Charlottesville ball. 55 taking back his leadership role and taking the ball down the court. About to pull up, nah, dipped in. 44 with the shot, missed. McNally recovers again. McNally looking. McNally dishes across to Baez. Baez dishes back to Nally. Just Spillers. Spillers looking. 1 second left on the shot clock. Nally puts it up. Nothing. Charlottesville takes back the ball, coming in towards the bottom of the E. Looking. Number 11 looking. Still looking. He's moving around. He's got a lane. He takes it, and he completes another shot. 30 seconds remaining on the clock. Now he's probably just going to hold the ball, considering the shot clock is no longer in use because we are under the 30-second mark. McNally holds. He holds. He dribbles behind his back. Coming to the left. Dribbling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Behind the back. 1, 2, 3. Does something with the ball. Throws it off towards the side. And that is your game with your final score of Edinboro 59, Charlottesville 34. I definitely think that if this Edinboro team continues to play how they have been the entire time I've been watching them at least, that they definitely have a chance of winning their own tournament. Both teams did play a very good game after all, though. Alrighty. And I want to make sure everyone knows that you should tune in to our men's basketball game playing here at Macomb at 7 o'clock. I may or may not be doing the game, but if not, I'm Shane Waldron, and this is from ETV. From me to you, thank you and good night.
For those who think, those who create, those who have big ideas, like really, really big, some would call them crazy ideas. For those who have been told no, no chance, and not you. Those who never miss practice, even at 6 a.m. Those who break a sweat, break hearts, and break records. For those who work harder, smarter, faster. There's Edinboro University. For those who strive. Start now at edinboro.edu.